Okay, so this is 8D out of the 2021 Northern Hemisphere Exam 1. We have this f function, which is this function here. And we've got g, which is that function there. And we're wanting to find, what are we wanting to find? Determine the values of q for which the tangent to the graph of f passes through q and has an x-intercept greater than 4. So if it touched here, it wouldn't have an x-intercept greater than 4, so I can't include that endpoint. And if I'm looking for that turning point, any tangents that touch on the turning point will have gradients of 0, so therefore they won't have an x-intercept greater than 4 either. So I'm looking for two things. It's got to be to this side of that point, and it's got to be to this side of that point to have an x-intercept that is greater than 4. So in other words, it's got to be tangents that sit here, or here, or here, but it can't be either side of those. So I have taken my derivative of the function f. I've set it equal to 0, and I found that its turning point is at 16 on 9. So I think that the x value needs to go between 16 on 9 and 4. And I'm told that the x value, which is d, is 3q. So 3q has to go from 4 through to 16 on 9. Therefore, q has to go from 16 on 27 through to 4/3. And if that's the case, those values of q, when you triple them, will have it touching from there through to there, but not inclusive of those endpoints.